Hello, this is Tom Sobre, Technical Support Manager at Derale Performance with a Derale Tech Tip. Today I wanted to show you our brand new 16757 temperature sensor for the Derale PWM fan controllers. This works with models 16795 and 16796. Our Derale PWM fan controllers are designed to control the coolant temperature of your engine, not to react to it. Therefore, it's imperative that this sensor is mounted down low on the outlet side of your radiator where the water feeds back to the engine. We use a high quality 3M adhesive tape on this, so you want to make sure that your sensor wires are routed before you place the sensor into position. We give you 40 inches of wire. If you need to extend it, just make sure your connections are solid and you follow it with a good quality shrink wrap. Surface preparation is critical. Make sure you have no dirt, oil, or peeling paint to ensure a proper bond. Wipe down the area with rubbing alcohol and let it dry. Remove the red adhesive backer from the sensor and position it, holding it firmly in place for 15 seconds to start the bonding process. If you need further assistance, just give us a call on our tech line at 323-266-3850, and be sure to give us some love on social media, #Derale or #Derale Performance. That's all for now.